Hello, we're just doing some little experiments here. I got my 1500 watt max heater. We're measuring volts and amps. And we're going to take this plug and plug it in and see what it does. Safest thing in the world, I'm telling you what. It's saying 100 volts. Good enough. That should say 120. So let's fire this up and see what it does. It jumped up to 104 volts. That's just the fan, that ain't very much. Let's crank it up a notch. Voltage dropped. It's drawing a lot of voltage. 5 amps it's up to now. Let's crank it up on high and see what it does. Drops the voltage down to 94, up to 10 amps. Spinning just a very tiny bit. You can see the disc right there. Go on, you can see the inrush. Just drops that voltage down and raises the amps. Watch what happens when I shut it off. It's on high now, so we're going to shut it off. It jumped right back up to 104 volts. We got our Dyson vacuum cleaner hooked up to all this contraption here. So let's fire the Dyson up and see what it does. You're not going to be able to hear a word I say when I start this up. But watch what happens to the meters, and we'll explain this later. Where the voltage loss is. That should say 120, not 102. So we gotta pull this out and see where the voltage loss is. Alright, I'll sit you down right here. And we'll stick this into the outlet. Hopefully I don't block your view. Man, I tell you what, there's an electrocution hazard down here if I ever seen one. Yeah, it says 102. I tell you what, that voltage is way off in my house for some reason. I'm going to test this again with this other better meter. I think this meter here might be fried. So we're going to come over here, stick the good meter into the outlet. Put it on voltage AC. So much crap in the fucking way. Sorry, didn't mean to say that. Yeah, it's right on 118. That's where it should be. Yeah, I really should have checked that before I measured that voltage on these experiments. That meter really should have been the first thing I checked when I saw that low voltage like that.